For beautiful glowing skin, an ordinary cream is just not enough. Your skin needs something extra, like Sunny Herbals All-Purpose Cream. It is a combination of two herbs that help in brightening the complexion and keeping your skin healthy, nourished, and beautiful. It contains aloe vera, which helps in preventing blemishes, sunburn, and aging of the skin. It contains calendula, which is a natural antiseptic suitable for delicate skin, and it has no side effects on your skin. This product is available on Homeonherbs website from where you can easily order it, and that too at a discount. Cash on delivery option is also available. International customers can also order it from homeonherb.com and get delivery within 7 to 10 days in any part of the world.